what would be like that hook, I want to say, besides the mowing that you would recommend for a solo operator? Kind of to kind of pass that feeling, because I feel like just by mowing and mowing, I want to make more money. So what would you recommend for a solo operator?
Yeah, like I would focus on increasing the amount of revenue, the annual value of each customer by trying to add ancillary services besides mowing. Because almost every single one of your mowing customers also has needs for weeding, bush trimming, installing mulch. If you really want to go further, which I wouldn't recommend if you're trying to scale the company, but like cleaning out gutters, pressure washing, they need all of those things. Anyone that hires someone to mow lawn,
Yeah.
it's not like they're going to hire you to mow the lawn and then go trim their bushes. Most people don't do that. If they hire you to do their lawn, they're going to hire someone to do everything around their property because it's the type of person that they are. And a lot of people are like, oh man, like the baby boomers, like, and I believe this, next 10 to 15 years, the money's going to be on the baby boomers. But here's another little news flash, and that is the millennials are the biggest part of the housing market right now in terms of buyers. They are going to be the next generation. And guess what? Millennials, we don't want to mow lawns. We don't want to work outside. We don't want to get our nails dirty. And so anyone that's willing to do something that someone else is not willing to do has great job security. And so you're going to do fantastic. I think I would focus, if I was you, if your goal is making more money, realizing that your mowing customers have other needs, and try to focus on marketing to them. You've already developed the trust with them. And the same way we talked about like recurring work being more sticky, it also, you're going to have a higher close ratio trying to upsell compared to cross sell and trying to get more customers, right? So I'd focus on upselling your existing customers on bed maintenance. So if you're going to come and mow every week, try to sell them an extra $20 a week to pull the weeds, an extra $50 a month to trim the bushes, whatever it is. And if you're in Florida, you literally have to trim bushes like every couple of weeks. So you can really stack on those recurring services, because again, any homeowner that has you mow their lawn, they're not going to just like randomly wake up one day and be like, oh, they're going to mow the lawn and I'm going to install the mulch. No, like they need that service done. So it's just a matter of identifying those things, especially as a solo operator with you being on the properties. You can literally identify the issues with every single property. And what I would recommend is literally, I talk about this in landscapebusinesscourse.com, and that is having like I say annual, but you could literally do a monthly or quarterly inspection and have a checklist of all the services that could be done and check off the ones that they need done with a price next to it and give it to them. You're going to sell so much. You will literally take the value of a customer from $1,000 per year to literally $2,000. You'll double it just by doing a property inspection on a monthly or quarterly basis. We do it usually annually when we're at our slowest time, like during the winter. We'll take our recurring customers, we'll just drive by all of them, and we'll just literally try to sell them every single service that we offer.